Did you know that a man who lived alone in the mountains for 7 winters learned the hardest truth about solitude from a lost child? The hermit had built his cabin far from any village. His friends had betrayed him years ago, selling his secrets for gold. So he chose the cold silence of snow over the warmth of human voices. Then one night, a blizzard brought him a shivering child. The hermit's hands shook as he wrapped the boy in blankets. He hadn't touched another person in so long. The child asked why he lived alone. The hermit said he was strong enough to need no one. But as he stirred soup for the boy, memories flooded back. Not of betrayal, but of laughter, of shared meals, of feeling truly alive. The child smiled and said the hermit seemed lonely, not strong. In that moment, the hermit understood. True solitude comes from choosing to be alone when you could choose connection. But isolation born from fear is just weakness wearing a mask of wisdom. Running from pain doesn't make you stronger, it just makes you empty.